Worry, burden, and stress exhaust the nervous system faster than physical activity. Danger signals such as tension, irritability, and worry over trivial matters appear in these situations. If you ignore the need for sufficient relaxation and rest, you lose the opportunity to replenish energy and repair damaged tissues. Relaxation is an essential condition for maintaining a state of health. Without relaxation, the most important processes of life activities cannot be sustained or may be performed inefficiently. Our bodies can regain vitality through rest, sleep, relaxation, and fasting. Constructive hobbies and sports activities also help maintain health and youth. Unfortunately, modern people are prone to spending their leisure time doing things that destroy themselves rather than activities that restore the mind and body. They sometimes fall into unhealthy activities, such as drinking and smoking. Just like exercising regularly and eating healthy food, relaxation and rest should become part of our daily routine. Modern life deceives us into having no time to relax, or making us feel that there is no need to relax. We feel that we can do everything, perform more projects, and take on more work and responsibilities. In doing so, we keep missing the timing for rest and relaxation, and as a result, abnormalities may occur in the body, leading to illness. Many people enjoy healthy leisure activities such as swimming, running, ball games, hobbies, gardening, sports, practicing musical instruments, and cultural activities for constructive rest and relaxation. Engaging in various plays and exercises while breathing fresh air and getting sunlight promotes health. However, many people seek sensory activities that are harmful to the body and suffer as a result. Our society seems to have everything in abundance, but the reality is that the things produced are not distributed properly. Because of this, severe inequality exists, which triggers anxiety, worry, and concern, severely damaging health. Even people living in places considered good environments are overwhelmed by the fear that they may not be able to maintain their lives. Worry is a disease of our society. As such, emotional and mental health are affected by physical health, and physical health is affected by emotional and mental health. People who live day to day in the abundance of a tropical climate do not worry, are happy, and love to play. Their way of life does not require much, so they do not work much. On the other hand, as you go toward the northern hemisphere, the desire to possess and stockpile more for the future grows. Generally, people have certain innate qualities. Being able to directly do work that satisfies needs using these qualities gives deep satisfaction. If it is work that draws out the qualities and abilities deep within us, it gives a much more satisfied and fulfilled feeling. Just as people who build their own houses and tend their own gardens are satisfied and happy. However, in a complex society, it has become generalized to try to use the results of other people's efforts. Lastly, there is the importance of self-mastery, self-restraint. In a murky society where inhuman and unhealthy things coexist, responding well to various situations and cravings that may arise is very important for health. The endless pursuit of sensory desires, such as appetite and sexual desire, as well as profit, will deplete precious vitality. Eventually, we distort and ruin ourselves, suffering from disease. The joy of self-mastery is not well known, but throughout all ages and places, self-mastery or self-restraint is recommended to better maintain the state of health.